Alright, welcome back again. Good morning, hello. I have decided to do an Ateez haul for all the things that I got in December. So I did pick up their epilogue album, the season's greetings, and the merch drop they did with one of my favorite online stores for albums and such. So I will be going over all of these things. So let's get started with the first one that showed up, which will be the card set and actually the sweatshirt that I got towards the beginning of December. So they did do a collaboration with Sub K shop, and I did get the giant Ateez sweatshirt from part 3 with its cute detail on the back. And I did get it in an extra large. There was only one size option, but I really do like that it is so big that it just wraps me up real tight and warm and is very comfy. And I got the dual card pack, which I have been through. But we will go through again before I put it in my photo card book. So it does come with the 2 sets, the Eternal Sunshine set and the Deja Vu set. Which is real cute. I think they picked a good collection of photos for these 2 sets. And I did shuffle through them a couple of times, which is why they're out of order. And when you did get this merch drop, you did receive a special set of pre-order cards that I left somewhere. I think I left it in my giant order envelope. Nope. So I did leave them somewhere in my giant order envelope, I think. Where did they go? Oh. So you did also get a special photo card per thing you bought. Since I only bought 2, I got these 2. Which is real cute, and apparently my luck is that I always get Yao Sung at this point. I'm very okay with that, because it's very fun to collect him. So next, I think we should go through, only partially go through some of the albums. I have already opened all of mine and been through them, and it's been out long enough that I'm not going to do an unboxing. I am going to admit that I bought far more than I probably should have from a couple different places. So I did get a lovely wad of cards that I'm very excited for, and unfortunately some doubles. So I did order from Hello 82, which let's see. Did I have them? Nope. I kind of still had them grouped up by thing. So I did get 2 Mingis and Yanhos, which is kind of cute. So I'm going to do something with the extras that I have put in protective sleeves to share or trade with someone else. And I did order from Evie Pink. Again, another set of 3. I ordered 4 from Hello 82. And they had the Apple Music cards. So I got these boys. It was kind of nice to see my luck being a little different and still getting a Yanho. Getting a Yanho and a Yaosung. These three show up all the time usually. So they've kind of still been hanging out in their little pouch. And then I will sort these by album real quick, because I did get 3 of the diary, because in the past that has been my favorite release, or at least had my favorite photo cards in it, so I thought I would get extra of those, and I was still right. Those are still very cute. So we will start with the A version, the Z version cards for the ones that I got. There we go. Okay. Oh. I was very excited when I opened all of these cards and I pulled a good variety of members. With them being all very cute. No. Soft boy hugging a tree. I do love his hat. I love how ridiculously fluffy and big it is. It's very cute. And then the last set. So normally when I collect Ateez, I focus mainly on Woo Young and Hunjun, and then collect 1 set of OT8. I don't actually know which set I want to collect. I can't decide. I haven't decided. I think I might actually go try to find the rest of the Apple Music, because I have seen a template. I have found a template now of a majority of their cards. I think I like this set the best. So we will open the Season's Greetings next. Alright, so now we're going to go through the Season's Greetings, which I have been through, so I know whose card I did get. So it does come in this nice, really cute box. So Season's Greetings, going back to 2005, which makes me feel old because I remember seeing everyone with one of these phones. Come on, focus. Pretty please. Thank you. So goodness. Oh, look at our sad boy. All deep in thought. So cute. I believe my last 3 videos have been a bunch of girl group related things. I do actually like Ateez and Stray Kids slightly more than all those artists, and I will probably cover them in the future. He's eating it, and I am not surprised. Alright, so the photo card is in the digital download code, so I'm going to hide that just a little longer. So we did get some cute stickers. The making DVD, I believe. Still has their cute little 8-bit characters on the front. And then some nice postcards with little messages on the back. No. So we did get 2 poster size things. In the 2 concepts, the in school and after school. Some more stickers to decorate the other with the other ones. Your actual diary that you can use. It does have random smatterings and notebooks and stuff in it, which is fun. And then your pop-up calendar. So we will flip through this way first and then catch the back side. Guess I better start using it. Alright, so I did pull Hongjoon, which made me very excited. I would have been happy with any member, but that one made me very happy. So, and I think we will end right here. So, thank you for coming back. I hope you enjoyed going through my Ateez haul. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.